Alright, as you can see, problem with the Chevrolet Bolt, as in B, there's no car garage opener. So what you do is you buy this on Amazon, and there's a lot of this. When you buy, mine has my relearn button on my garage right there on my motor. Relearn button is yellow. There are red, orange, purple, and green. So you have to buy which color relearn button on your car garage, and you buy the appropriate matches remote for that. This is yellow. It has a yellow dot here. I removed it, and see, and it even has a cover. So when this usually you put it on your key, but I don't like bringing this because I only want to fix this car, because GM, good job for not putting this. I don't know what's wrong with you guys, but here it goes. Then you put double adhesive on it, and then I already cleaned this with the alcohol, so you remove all the oil using that, and here you go. I don't know if I'm gonna do it like that or do it like this. Doesn't matter because it won't show anyway. So, but there you go. Oops. And look for the middle. Hold on, let me show you. Wanted to put it as straight, like an arrow, even though no one's gonna see it. Wait, up. There you go. You hide it there, or you can put it here if you want. You hide it there. See? Or you put it here. You can put it somewhere here. Wherever you want, You can put it under here too if you want. But I want it here, so now I can just slide the thing, the cover, and then look, okay, see, now I have the bolt is fixed, because GM, I don't know what GM engineers are thinking. Seats are bad, no car garage opener, oh my god, no adaptive cruise control. This car, when you use a heater, it's like you're charging it on a 30 amps charger, 220 volts 30 amps charger. When you use the heater, it will consume 7 to 8 watts. And you can charge this car for like 6 hours from 0 to full on a 32 amps charger. And if you use a heater, in 5 hours you lose all your charge without even moving it. When you use the heater and you're driving it, probably in 3 hours it's all, or 2 hours charge is gone because of the heater. So, but this is the fix. Let's go back to the topic. That's it. See, I'll show you how it looks. See, and then you can slide the thing. You can shut it, and there you go. And that's it. That's fix it. And when you're here, you won't even, your eyes are down here. You won't see it. Or you can put it here, but I don't like to put it here because when like a tip get inside your car when you park outside. They will see what's that, then they click it, they open the glass. But here probably, you know, they won't look at it, and if you close it, if they touch it, what's that, then there's no button, you know. So that's it. And this is the MagnaSafe charger. You see that? This is really strong. You can buy it on Amazon too for I think 16 bucks. And this is the, you know, the MagSafe case that I have. So I'll show you. See, it's I don't think this is going to fall, you know. It's really like it's sucking it. See, so that's about it.